Hello traders, today I want to share with you my weekly watch list for 15 June. So first pair is New Zealand Canadian dollar. If we check the weekly chart, we can see that uptrend is on the weekly chart. So price confirmed higher high and higher low and confirmed weekly 1 to 3. We have strong support line, but this green candle didn't close above weekly 2 to 3 line yet. If we check more closely, so we check the daily chart now, we can see that price bounced from weekly and daily trend line, moved up and hit daily resistance trend line, that's actually weekly 2 to 3 line, and bounced a little bit. So for confirmation we need clear break above that daily weekly trend line or clear break below, and then start looking for nice setups. That's that. And then New Zealand JPY pair. If you check the weekly, let me delete those lines here, we can see that we have an uptrend. Price made higher high and higher low, bounce from support line and clearly break weekly 2 to 3 line, and pressure is to the upside, so uptrend and pressure to the upside. So if we check the daily chart, we can see that price broke 1, 2, 3, 4 touches daily trend line and EMA 36, moved up, made the higher high and retraced a little bit. So because of that daily trend line break, we want to see 4 hourly or 1 hourly setup, but I'm waiting for daily 1 to 3, so higher high and higher low, and then start looking for nice setups to target. First those highs here, next highs here and above. Next pair is GBP US dollar. Let me delete those lines. On the weekly we have uptrend, price made higher high, higher low, bounced from horizontal support and resistance line, broke weekly 2 to 3 line, so we have an uptrend and pressure to the upside, and neck resistance is around 350 pips away. So we can go to the daily chart. On the daily we have that daily trend line break, 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 touches. Price made kind of a higher low and then broke that daily and weekly trend line, made higher high, and if we check the 4 hourly chart, we can see that price moved up 250 pips, so we want to see a clear retracement back to the EMA 36 and then start looking for nice 4 hourly setups or 1 hour later, and then target that resistance line 450 pips away. Next pair is Australian dollar CHF. On the weekly we got that weekly trend line break, price made higher high, higher low, broke 2 to 3 line, moved up, break EMA 36, and we have pressure to the upside. So on a daily we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches daily trend line. We had that kind of a range here, wedge on the 4 hourly and 1 hourly, and then price broke it, made higher high, and I'm waiting now for higher low and then start looking for nice setups to target that area here. And if that area breaks, next target is that previous highs here. So let's go to the GBP Australian dollar. On the weekly we have uptrend, and then lately price started to ranging and wedging here. Price bounced again from support, and if you check the daily, you can clearly see that price is between support and resistance area, kind of a wedge or range. So I'm waiting for a clear break above or below and then start looking for setups over it or below it. On the Australian dollar, US dollar, on the weekly we can still have that weekly range. Price moved up, bounced a little bit, and if you check the daily, we have that range. So what I'm waiting for, if you're not a bounce trader, clear break above or below that area, and then start looking for swing setups. Then CHF JPY on the weekly, we can see an uptrend, but price made here lower highs and move down, found EMA 36 and support trend line. And if you check the daily chart, we can see that price is at support now, and we want to see a clear break below or above. If you're a bounce trader, of course you look for setups here to target that area. On the Euro JPY, if you check the weekly, you can see that we have an uptrend and price made here lower highs, so it looks like a wedge. Then price broke EMA 36 and trend line a little bit here. If you check the daily, price already made daily lower low. So what I'm waiting for is let the price really make lower low and then nice retracement on the daily or 4 hourly, and then start looking for entries to target that area here. Of course, if price reversed, I will wait for a clear break of that resistance area here. On the GBP JPY, if you check the weekly, we can see that we have a big uptrend and then price slowed down and started moving in kind of a range and wedge. So price bounced here and reached resistance. Next to resistance is around 700 pips away. So if we check the daily chart now, we can see that we have big range and wedge here. Price made kind of a higher high and higher low here and moved up. So what I want to see is let the price really break that area and then start looking for setups over it or below it. So those are all pairs on my watch list for that week. So catch up soon and have a wonderful week. Bye.